AI-enabled thousands of HX-2 Kamikaze drones expected to be sent to Ukraine by German. AI-enabled HX-2 Kamikaze drones now in production for Ukraine. Please subscribe the channel before we start the latest news and details. The German HX-2 will give Ukraine a new way to strike targets at standoff ranges, but also reflects trends beyond that conflict. German firm Helsing says production of its HX-2 Kamikaze drone, thousands of which are expected to be sent to Ukraine, is underway. The company states that the HX-2s feature standoff range, artificial intelligence (AI), enabled capabilities that make them resistant to electronic warfare systems, and can be employed in networked swarms. Helsing offered new details about the HX-2 as part of an official rollout of the one-way attack drone earlier today. The Bild newspaper in Germany had first reported on the HX-2 and plans to send thousands of them to Ukraine last month. The electrically powered HX-2, which has an X-shaped main wing and tail configuration, weighs close to 26.1/2 pounds, 12 kilograms, has a top speed of almost 137 miles per hour, 220 kilometers per hour, and a maximum range of 62 miles, 100 kilometers, according to Helsing. The company also says the drones, also reportedly known by the name Karma, can be loaded with multi-purpose warheads, as well as ones optimized for use against armored vehicles or structures. Onboard artificial intelligence ensures that HX-2 is immune to hostile electronic warfare (EW) measures through its ability to search for, re-identify, and engage targets, even without a signal or a continuous data connection, Helsing says on its website. A human operator stays in or on the loop for all critical decisions. What kind of onboard sensors and other systems the HX-2 has to support these capabilities is unclear. As seen below, the drone does have two small apertures in the nose, which are likely electro-optical and/or infrared cameras, as well as what looks to be a small pitot tube off to one side. When operating as part of Helsing's Ultra-Recce/Strike software, multiple HX-2s can assemble into swarms, controlled by single human operators, a Helsing press release adds. HX-2 has been designed to be mass-producible and at significantly lower unit cost than conventional systems. The Helsing press release does not provide any further details about unit cost. Helsing says the HX-2's onboard software can be updated wirelessly to dynamically adapt to new threats and tactics. It's unclear if the drones are designed to receive those updates in flight in the middle of a mission. The war zone has also previously highlighted how AI algorithms can be rapidly trained in a digital environment, as well as incorporate data collected from actual real-world employment, to improve their ability to spot, categorize, and engage targets. When exactly Ukraine might get its first HX-2s is unclear. Bild's report said that the first tranche of the drones would be delivered to Ukraine sometime this month and that around 4,000 would be sent in total. The press release today says the drones' capabilities were developed and tested through Helsing's extensive experience in Ukraine and that core technology is currently deployed in Ukraine. As a company founded in democratic countries and on democratic values, we have a special duty to approach the development and deployment of advanced defense systems, such as strike drones, with particular responsibility and thoughtfulness, a section on Helsing's site states. We believe in the principle that a human needs to be in or on the loop for all critical decisions, and we know that enforcing this principle requires conviction and technological leadership, especially in the face of adversaries taking shortcuts. If nothing else, a new stream of relatively low-cost kamikaze drones by itself is a boon for Ukraine. In addition, as already noted, the HX-2's capabilities reflect broader trends that are not limited to the fighting in Ukraine. It remains to be seen when definitive evidence of the HX-2's use in Ukraine will emerge. Thanks for watching.